Hi everyone, in front of me is Honor 8 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find advanced settings. Now let's scroll down again and enter backup and reset, and as you can see here in the factory reset section on the second position we've got the option we are looking for. So let's tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you cannot undo this action. So if you are ready, just tap on this button, and as you can see, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Honor 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.